This is a 2012 BMW 528, a great fit and finish. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, an 8-speed automatic transmission. Plus, having just come off lease, this BMW is in like new condition. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, keyless go, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity discharge headlights, a premium audio system, satellite radio, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, a limited slip differential, cornering lights, adaptive brake lights, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.